Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with moving elements around in Canva and getting everything perfectly aligned, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you all the essential techniques to move and position elements like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be designing with precision and confidence, whether it's text, images, or icons. Let's dive in. First up, the basics. Click and drag. This is the simplest way to move anything in Canva. Just click on the element you want to move, hold down your mouse button, drag it to where you want it, and release. This works for everything: text boxes, shapes, icons, or images. It's quick, intuitive, and perfect for general adjustments. Next, let's talk about fine-tuning and precision. Canva has built-in snap guidelines that appear as you move elements. These help you align objects perfectly with other items on the page. But sometimes you need even more control. That's where the keyboard arrow keys come in. Use them to nudge your elements in small increments, giving you pixel perfect placement every time. Now, what if you need to move multiple elements at once? That's where grouping becomes your best friend. You can select multiple elements by either clicking and dragging a box around them or holding the Shift key while clicking each item individually. Once grouped, you can move all of them together while keeping their spacing intact. This is a huge time saver, especially when arranging complex layouts. And don't worry about mistakes. Undo is your safety net. Accidentally move something to the wrong spot? Just hit Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, and Canva will instantly revert your last action. It's that simple. By mastering these methods, click and drag, snap guidelines, arrow key nudging, grouping, and using undo, you'll have complete control over your designs. You'll save time, stay organized, and make your Canva creations look polished and professional. And that's it. Now you know how to move and position elements in Canva like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below if you have any Canva tricks of your own. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!